Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is loaded potato wedges fajita style. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. This is not a recipe for someone on a diet. Okay, first we prepare the wedges. Simply cut the potatoes into wedge shapes, place in a pan of salted water, bring up to the boil and simmer for 10 minutes. How hard can that be? And when the 10 minutes are up, drain well and put the wedges onto an oven-proof dish. Then liberally coat the wedges with oil and it's off to 180 degrees C oven for 20 minutes. When the 20 minutes are up, simply remove from the oven and using a spatula turn the wedges over into the oil. Then it's back into the oven for another 20 minutes, which should give you enough time to do the fajita part of this recipe. And to do this, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan, add the onions and fry off for a minute or two. Then it's time to add the garlic and chilli and continue to fry off for a further 2 minutes. Next we add the smoked paprika powder and the ground cumin and again mix through. After the spices are cooked off for a minute, it's time to add in the chicken. Lastly, it's the turn of the yellow or red pepper, whichever one you're using, and salt and pepper to taste. And continue to fry until the chicken is just cooked through. Then you're ready to assemble the dish. And to do that, simply remove the wedges from the oven, transfer them to a suitably sized oven-proof dish, pour over the fajita mixture, then grate the cheese over the top of that. And lastly, pop it back into the oven for 10 minutes to melt all the cheese on the top. And there you have it, loaded potato wedges fajita style. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe in these troubling times and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.